Okay students, hi everyone. So this is the next problem. This is the isometric cone. We have a problem. The problem is draw the isometric projection of a cone which is base of diameter 40 mm and the axis of height 60 mm, and the condition is base is rest on the HP. Okay, this is the very simple one to draw it. So first of all we have to draw the xz plane. Okay, then we will draw the rhombus which is enclose the circle. Okay, next we take the center point which is passes the axis line and join the edges of the cone, so edges of the circle to the axis upper corner. Okay, let me show you how to draw this. We know the first thing is, first of all we have to take the a reference line. Okay, let me take the reference line. So this is our reference line. I'm going to take it as a point on the reference line. So from there I will take the two lines which is passes at the make an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the one and this is the another one. Okay, so these are the 2 points. Now we have to draw the a rhombus which is the distance of 40 mm, but here the condition is this is the isometric projection, it's not isometric view, this is the isometric projection. Okay, so for that we have to calculate the this 40 mm to the, or take the here we have the two dimensions. Okay, 40 mm and the 60 mm. Okay, so for that first of all we have to take it as the take it as on the scale, that is the isometric scale, and mark on the for these two dimensions. These two dimensions which are the true lengths on the 45 degrees of line, and draw the straight line to the downward to the 30 degrees of line. Then we have find the isometric scale on the 30 degrees of line. Okay, but here I am going to do is just a shortcut of I am just multiply the 40 mm to the 0.82 and 60 mm into the 0.82. Then I will get the isometric scale. Okay, here this 40 mm comes to be, that is isometric scale, that is a 40 into 0.82, so it should be approximately 32.8 mm. Okay, so next similarly we have the another one, that is the 60 into 0.82, so that comes to be approximately 49.2 mm. So when you take it as in the scale, so it should be in the centimeters. That means this is approximately 3.3 and this is approximately 49.5, that means the 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. Okay, so further this is the first of all I have to draw the rhombus of which is the 40 mm, then it comes to the 32.8 mm. Okay, then I will draw it as a 3.3 centimeters. Okay, I think it's going to be a small diagram. So this is the 3 and here we have the 3.3. Okay, I draw a line. So similarly here also we have the draw a line of 3.3. so here from here 1 2 3 and 2. Okay, are going to find out the third point. So this is our next point. Now join these two points. That's it. So next I am doing the second method of the drawing of the circle, that is the 4 centers method. Okay, for that I have to find out the midpoint over here. So here this is the 3.3, that is the approximately it's the 1.6. Okay, 5, 1.4 and 6. Okay, then here we have the midpoint. Similarly on the other sides also 1.6. So here we have the 1.6. Okay, so this is the P, Q, R and S. Okay, and we have the midpoints of A, B, C and D. Okay, so first of all join the point from P to C and P to D. Similarly from R to A and R to D. Like this. Okay, now here I am going to draw a diagonal line which is passed from S to Q. Okay, so now first of all let me finish the circle in the rhombus. Okay, further from the center of P, take a distance of P to C, draw an arc up to the B. Okay, similarly from R to D, draw an arc up to the A. Okay, so similarly from the point O, so sorry forget to mark the points. Here is the O and here is the O1. Okay, so from the point O, take distance of O to C, draw an arc like this. And similarly from O to D, draw an arc Okay, now I have finished the circle on the bottom side. Okay, now this is the cone, that's why we have the height. Okay, so for that we have already I am drawn a line from S to Q, that is the diagonal line. Now I am going to draw another line which is passed from R to P. R to P. So this is our axis point. So from here we have to take the height of 60 mm of the true length. Now in the isometric length it will be convert to the 5. This is the 50 mm. Okay, so this is the axis line, that's why we have to draw the axis line. It should be a very dark line, don't forget this one. This should be a dark line which will look like as the axis line also, like this. Now I am going to join this point and to the here, then it look like as the cone. Like this. Okay, similarly in the other side also, like this. Okay, so it is the cone. Okay, I hope you understand how to draw the cone. Okay, so give the name here O dash. That's it. I hope you understand. Try it. Okay, so in the isometric projections and isometric view, so whatever diagrams I had drawn, so you remember one thing. So in the I will draw different types of colors. Okay, so red color and green color. Okay, these are should be a very thin lines. Okay, only the black color which I am using to draw the diagram, that should be a dark color. Okay, that is the darken the diagram. Okay, rest of the other colors also, rest of the colors are should be a very light lines. Okay, thank you.